Hello guys, it's me Angela Superpower, and today I'm going to open the Kinetic Sand Castle. Basically this is like sand but it's kinetic, get the idea. And let's just jump into the video. Okay, first you just open it like normally you do. Okay, now I have to figure out how to open this. Basically found it. Okay, now you just do this and open it, I guess. I do not care if it's ripped. Phew, I opened the first bit. Now to the second bit. Okay. Guys, this is a struggle if you have Bible. So basically, I opened it and I can already see the sand that is drying. The toys, which my brother will break. That's so nice. And I found, I think, the cover, which I need to get out. Okay, basically I opened it, and this is how you do it. No, this is how you do it. Just put this into there, and voila! Now it's time to open the sand. Okay. This is gonna be so exciting. Because I never, ever in my life feel this. So this is going to be my first time. Okay. That was easy. Now, guys, this feels so nice. It feels like real sand, but it's like actually... It's actually like, I don't know how to call it, sticky like slime, like cloud slime. Oh, it feels like slime and it looks like sand. Poking test, 3, 2, 1. That feels so nice. Let's open the toys now and let's see if we can play and make castles. Yay! Got a little top there. I don't know how to call it. Guys, come on. Let's actually make this like a real, like in the pic. And you can actually do that. It's super cool. This is my favorite sand. Even the beach is more like soft, but I do not care. Let's put some of this into our much better put it in your hands. Okay. This can go there. Okay. And that's where we make our castle. Okay. 3. Oh, it actually worked. I was not expecting that. Seriously, I was not expecting that. I guess this is a real castle. Okay, let's do this. That is amazing. Guys, look. Time to crunch it. Hear it. Let's stretch. Stretch is like so good. Just love it. And play with. I just want to take a video off and play with this all day long. For me, it's heavy. And I don't know for you guys, but I'm just gonna play with this. Okay, I'm going to make a castle, like a giant one. Okay. This is super fun. If you have got this, comment down below. I got it. And if you haven't, comment down below. I haven't got it, because then you can buy it. It's really cool. Okay. 3. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Now let's do the top. Okay. Woo! Ow, ow, ow. Please don't think I got it in my hair. Please, please, please. Okay. Now at the top. That was really not good, but I still did it. Do a big thumbs up, and I tried my best. If you have been jealous, then don't put a thumbs up, because some people don't really have things, and so yeah, don't complain about it. Okay, let's make a few of these, because then these are gonna be really good. Basically, these are green. I don't know why, but I wanted to be. Oh yeah, that is purple, so don't worry. These are like the what is called? I might just go with my hands, because if I go with that, then I'm not gonna make it that neat, like how I want it to. So, okay. I need to make it like a real castle. I tried my best, my first time ever. Okay, next one. Okay. Oh God. This is so hard. But I have to try my best. So if I don't make it neat, I have to. That bit is gonna be when you like go out. I need a lot of space. That's so cool, guys. Look. It's just making into too much, maybe. Guys, this is so cool. Oopsie. I made it to my place. Okay. Let's try to do this one. I'm gonna make this time I got an idea. Comment down below if you want to what should I do next, because I really want to do kinetic sand slime. That's how I want to do it. I want to do it pink, but I could color it, but I'm not. I'll watch. Comment down below if you want me to do a TikTok video. Comment down below if you have TikTok, and give a big thumbs up. This is so hard to make, and I really need. Hello? I'm going to break it now. Oh yeah, I forgot about this small baby here. This is gonna be my little castle tower. Okay, this is going to be inside, so of course it needs to be inside. No, don't run. No. Okay, I'm finished with mine. Now I'll have to do, whoopsie. Okay, just do this and I'm done after. Perfect. It's time for the reveal. 3, 2, 1, and voila! It looks like a beautiful castle, and I'm going to do. Now I'm going to break it up. Sorry, but no sorry. That feels so nice. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel, and give this a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye.